Indian economic updates. India's high-speed rail vision marks an ambitious step toward transforming its extensive railway network and aligning with global benchmarks. While semi-high-speed trains like Vande Bharat and Namo Bharat signal steady progress, true high-speed rail above 250 km per hour is still in development. The flagship Mumbai-Ahmedabad corridor, featuring Japan's Shinkansen technology and the country's first undersea tunnel, is expected to partially launch by 2026. A new test track in Rajasthan will further support domestic research and development. Supported by the 2025 Union Budget, India envisions a 7,000 km high-speed rail network by 2047, with key corridors planned, including Delhi, Varanasi, and Chennai, Mysore. Collaborations with countries like Japan, Spain, and China are aiding technology transfer, while India also ramps up local production of Vande Bharat and standard gauge trains for export. Despite hurdles such as rising project costs, funding challenges, and competition from low-cost air and road transport, high-speed rail holds the promise of driving economic growth, generating employment, and offering environmental benefits. Its long-term success will depend on maintaining affordability, ensuring safety, and executing a well-planned rollout, positioning high-speed rail as a cornerstone of India's future infrastructure. India could face a surge in low-cost imports of steel, aluminium, and chemicals from Asian countries following US President Donald Trump's imposition of reciprocal tariffs. Although India's direct exposure is limited, its steel exports to the US are under 100,000 metric tons, valued at $487.73 million in 2024. Experts warn of indirect impacts through global price shifts and trade diversion. As the US becomes a less viable market for European exporters, countries like China, South Korea, and Japan may redirect surplus steel to India, heightening the risk of dumping. The domestic copper sector is expected to remain unaffected due to supply shortfalls. However, concerns are growing over chemical imports from China, which may increase as Chinese suppliers seek alternative markets amid US trade restrictions. This redirection could adversely affect Indian manufacturers by pressuring prices and margins, ultimately impacting the revenue and profitability of local chemical producers. India will soon approve future highway projects under the Vision 2047 roadmap, according to Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari. He emphasized that ample funds are available for road construction, with NHAI capable of raising funds if needed. In 2023-24, India built 12,300 kilometers of highways at a rate of 34 kilometers per day, the second fastest pace recorded. While the Bharatmala scheme has not been revived, project awards are progressing steadily. In Delhi, 65,000 crore rupees worth of projects are ongoing, with 1 lakh rupees crore being executed in the NCR. Upcoming developments include faster connectivity, with Delhi to Dehradun travel time reducing to 2 hours. Infrastructure growth is expected to boost investments and job creation. Amid rising global concerns over climate change, the environmental toll of traditional transportation systems has become a pressing issue. As one of the world's fastest-growing economies, India faces a unique challenge, meeting the mobility demands of its vast population while minimizing ecological damage. The transportation sector, heavily reliant on fossil fuels, contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, making the need for sustainable alternatives more urgent than ever. For India, this is not just a matter of progress but of necessity. Embracing green transportation, such as hydrogen-powered trains and innovative technologies like the Hyperloop, can help the nation balance growth with environmental responsibility. These forward-thinking solutions offer the potential to reduce pollution, improve efficiency, and support long-term development. As India races against time, prioritizing sustainable transport is crucial to securing a cleaner, healthier future for its citizens and becoming a global leader in climate-conscious infrastructure.